Okay, so this is the week 26 quiz. And number 1 says, what is the value of the expression root 6 minus root 10 minus 4 root 6? So let's say that root 10 minus 4 root 6 equals to root x minus root y, where x is greater than y. So then, by squaring both sides, we get 10 minus 4 root 6 equals x minus 2 root xy plus y by squaring this side and this side. So based on this, we get x plus y equals 10 because those are the only integers in this side. And we also know that root xy equals root 24, since this is root 96, and 96 divided by 4 equals 24. Because we have to divide by 4 because there's a 2 here, and 2 squared is 4, so yeah. So we know that xy is 24, and x plus y is 10. Solving this, we get that x equals 6, and y equals 4. By plugging this and then plugging this back in the equation, we get root 6 minus root 6 minus root 4 equals just root 4, which is equal to 2, which is our answer. So problem number 2 says the 3 medians of an equilateral triangle intersect at a point that has a distance of 4 square root 3 from each vertex of the triangle. What is the area of the equilateral triangle? So let's say like this is the equilateral triangle and these are the medians. And we know that this is 4 root 3, 4 root 3, and 4 root 3. In an equilateral triangle, when the medians intersect, it creates a ratio with 2 to 1. So this would be 2 root 3. And so the height would be 6 root 3. Therefore, making this 6 and making the side length 12. So we get 12 squared root 3 over 4 equals 36 root 3, which is the answer. Okay, so number 3 says, Adrian and Brianna each think of a number. The product of Brianna's number and the square of Adrian's number is 12 square root 2, while the product of Adrian's number and the square of Brianna's number is 72 square root 2. What is the product of Adrian's number and Brianna's number? Let's say Adrian's number is A and Brianna's number is B. So we know that A squared times B equals 12 root 2. And we also know that B squared times A equals 72 root 2. Multiplying these two together, we get 1728. And we also get that A cubed times B cubed equals to 1728. Cube rooting all sides, we can get that A times B equals 12. So that's the answer, 12. Okay, so number 9, we're asked to find the value of root 13 plus root 181 plus 12 root 5. So let's say this number was root A plus root B for some A and B. Then squaring both sides, we get 181 plus 12 root 5 equals a plus 2 root ab plus b. This means that a plus b equals 181 and root ab and ab equals 45 because they have to be integers. So, oh, sorry, ab is 180. So from this we get to know that a is 1, b and then b is 180. So let's think about this whole thing, and set it to root x plus root y. Since we already found out that this equals 1 plus root 180, we can see now that this is just square root 14 plus root 180. So squaring both sides, we get 14 plus 1 root 180 equals root x plus 2 root xy plus y, and we get that a plus b x plus y equals 14, xy equals 45, and we get that x equals 9 and y equals 5. So the answer is just root 9 plus root 5, which is 3 plus root 5. So that's our answer.